This is case number 21-1703. This is Luther Appliance and Furniture Sales versus Kenise Allen. The matter is before the court on an application for a subpoena. Your appearance for the plaintiff in this matter, please.
Michelle Bourne-Fisher on behalf of Luther Appliance and Furniture Sales.
All right, thank you. Your P number, if you will, for the record, counsel.
67527.
All right, thank you, and good morning to you. Do
Morning.
I have Kenise last name Allen on the Zoom? If you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. For Kenise Allen on Ingleside Street in the city of Detroit. If you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. Well, I did sign a subpoena regarding this matter, counsel. Looks like the defendant has not shown up. This was set on for, of course, 9:30 a.m. this morning. Have you had any contact with the defendant in this matter?
I have not.
All right. Given that the defendant has not appeared for the subpoena, I do see that the judgment was entered in this matter on the 28th of February 2022 by default. Actually, I do not see. I do not see a signature for entry. Do you have a judgment that's been entered yet?
Yes, I do.
All right. For some reason, I'm not seeing the signature on this one. Just one moment. All right. And I will note that the register of action does indicate that the default was entered. I don't see where the judgment has been entered on this matter. In either event, what I will do is I will enter the judgment now. For some reason, that did not happen. The default has been entered since February. I'll enter the judgment now. And I think it was appropriate for you to file the application for subpoena and to see what happens here. 1 second. I had to set it on for hearing accordingly. My office did send out a notice with the Zoom number, and I'm noting that everything is correct here and the defendant has not appeared. Your request at this time, counsel.
I'd like to request a show cause.
All right, the court will set the matter on for a show cause, and I'm going to give you the date, and if you'll get the proposed order to the court, then it will be set on for that date. The date for the show cause in this matter is going to be maybe 30 days.
September 28th.
September 28th. September 28th is going to be the date for the show cause here, Madam Counsel. And I'll make sure that that we send out a copy of that signed judgment, because I see that the signature is related to the entry of default, but the part that was the judgment was not entered as of yet. So we're going to get a copy of that out to you.
Will that show cause be at 9:30 as well?
Thank you. The show cause is set for 9:30.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good day to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Somehow that was, it's in the copy. Both sides. All right, this is case number 21-162-798. This is Metromed Pain Management versus City of Detroit. The matter is before the court after having been adjourned for review. Your appearance at this time for Metromed, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Madam
Okay.
Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Alasob appearing on behalf of Metro Maine Pain Management, P number 83357.
Right, thank you, Counsel, and good morning to you. For the City of Detroit, your appearance at this time.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joel Ashton appearing for the defendant, City of Detroit, P number 47039.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Aston. Good morning to you as well. So I know that this was set up to be facilitated. Somebody care to update me? Let's see where we are in regard to this matter.
I can, Your Honor. We did facilitate on July 18th. At this point, it appears that we have a tentative settlement awaiting final approval by Detroit City Council.
That's the size of it from your perspective as well, Madam Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will note the same. I will issue my typical order in such cases indicating that the case would be dismissed contingent upon the settlement now pending shortly pending before City Council. And if approved and dispersed, the dismissal without prejudice will become a dismissal with prejudice at that time. You'll receive a copy of that order from me in the next few days. All right, good day to the two of you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
This is case number 21-144-120. This is Anderson Medical Supplies Incorporated versus City of Detroit. Your appearance for Anderson Medical, please. Anderson Medical, any appearance at this time? All right, for the City of Detroit.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Cleary on behalf of the defendant, City of Detroit, P number 84704.
All right, thank you, Mr. Cleary, and good morning to you, sir. So it looks like I had this set up for a review. Go ahead and update me. What's going on here?
So we're very close to settling. We're only about $1,500 away. So at this time, we would ask for like a 60-day adjournment, if that's okay with the court, so we can have enough time to work back and forth with our clients and come to a settlement.
All right. Well, that's a long tail on it, 60 days. Why don't I take a look at it? Well, roughly 30 days out. It'll be a little bit more than 30 days. So,
Okay.
What's that last date you gave me? September.
2/29.
Let me take a look at it. September 29th. That puts you out there a little bit. And
Okay, that works.
September 29, 9:45 a.m. 9:29, 9:45 a.m. That is set on for review at that time.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel. Good day to you. This is case number 22-184-307. This is Credit Acceptance Corporation versus Nicole Renee Mack. The matter is before the court, set on for a status conference. I believe this is the first hearing in this matter. Your appearance for the plaintiff credit acceptance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lynn Olivier, appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
All right, your P number, if you will, Ms. Olivier, for the record, please.
39006.
All right, thank you, Counsel. Good morning to you. Do I have counsel for Nicole Renee Mack? If you'll assume, please say something at this time.
Yes, Nick Balberman, P35262 for the defendant, Ms. Mack.
All right, thank you, Counsel, and good morning to you, sir. I do note that that I have received the answer to matters properly joined before the court. Have you talked about this? Any chance you could move this forward without the typical procedures involving discovery, et cetera?
I think
Yes,
we
Your
do.
Honor. Sorry, Nick. Yes, the parties have actually entered to an agreement. All we're doing is having the paperwork go back and forth. So once we get it signed, we'll be able to file it with court.
And Mr. Bellerin, that rings the same for you, sir?
If that's what she says, I'm sure that's true. The attorney that was handling this was on vacation. That's why I'm a little hedging. But I believe that.
No problem. That's the kind of statement that my wife would like to hear me say all
Yeah,
the time.
I was always meant to be a lawyer.
All right, excellent. Well, I'll go ahead and adjourn it over. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Excuse me. Laugh so much I sneezed. The 29th, we'll keep that same date.
Mhm.
29th, 9:45 a.m. If I don't receive paperwork regarding the resolution, then just show up at that time and then we'll make the record and figure out.
What is that date and time again, Your Honor? I didn't hear.
9/29, 22, 9:45 a.m.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank
Thank
you.
you, Your Honor.
To the two. All right.
You as well.
All right, this is case number 22-242342. This is Derek Farmer versus Darian Lee. The matter is before the court, set on for an appeal from a determination of a magistrate, it appears. The matter was assigned to this court after hearing in the before magistrate. I'm looking for Derek Farmer or Darian Lee, or both. Derek Farmer, Darian Lee, if you're on the Zoom, say something at this time. And I'm looking for Derek Farmer on Artesian Street. Or I'm looking for looks like Darian Lee. I'm also seeing on the register of action a Deanna Clark Howard. If any of those persons are on this Zoom, please say something at this time. All right. All right, the court then will deny the appeal at this time, and the determination of the magistrate will stand where neither party has appeared. It is so ordered at this time. I'm seeing a William Brown on this Zoom. If you have business before this court, please say something at this time.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I don't know what's going on. They told me I had court on the 9th, and I'm here.
Okay. What kind of case do you have, sir?
I was calling downtown to pay a ticket, and they told me I had court on the 9th. I don't even know what it's about.
Got you. You're definitely in the wrong courtroom, so let's try to get you to where you should be. You said you had a ticket or something that they called you about, correct?
Well, I was calling downtown to pay a ticket, and they brought it to my awareness that I had court on August 9th, and I asked for the Zoom number, and they gave me this number.
What's it? I'm sorry.
Probably for this four.
All right. So you want to check into Judge Ford's courtroom, and that Zoom is going to be, the three middle numbers are going to change. So you got 6035,
335. Yeah, 335.
335,
000.
0000. So 360-335, 0000.
360-335-0000.
That's correct, sir.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
And if they say anything about you arriving at this time, just tell them that you were in Judge Coleman's courtroom.
Okay,
All right, all the best to you.
thank you.